recording. So recording started. We are back. Where was our presentation? So I have shown you how to delete it manual also if you are using hardware booted software. It was not, I can say, it was a basic thing, bigger type of thing. Nothing to teach you in that. Accidental can be anything. Malware can also hit partition, and if you can say corrupt your drive using BitLocker can also be used to lock the device. And if you try many methods, I have tried to unlock BitLocker, but I was unable. But I was able to corrupt the drive, but the data was also encrypted in that case. So be careful with BitLocker. Now there is a recovery from partition. So these are the one of the good tools to recover from partition. Disk digger is there, task disk is there, disk drill is there. Okay, disk digger is also very much good tool. Disk digger, I have the tool, I think. Okay, I'm not having the tool, no worries. But yes, disk digger is also one of the good tools. Disk dig. Okay, okay, here is disk digger. I don't know why it was not showing in disk digger, but it is showing in disk dig. Let's continue with this. Disk drill is there. Let's continue with this. Yes, and test disk was there. So there was a question also. What is the difference between photo rack and Q photo rack? So basically, there is not much difference. It is the GUI version. You will be easily more. It will be more easily understandable to you. Like you can see, it is the GUI version. Now I can select like this Linux system is using ext4 file format. It is the latest that I have shown you, ext2, ext3, ext4. So I can select this file and I can select okay, I have to select the destination where the files must be stored. So what I can do is I can create, okay, a new folder is already there. I can create another new folder. I can select the folder and now I can start searching. So this is the GUI method. Is my mic on and my screen sharing on? Okay, everything is on. You are presenting, yes. So see here, it has started showing us results like 169762816, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 16 crore, around 17 crore result files are there. It will show, it will be showing all the files, not files, they are clusters. So we have started the task disk. So now here is this is our main drive and this is our SSD, but the partition is from this main drive. So let's click this file. Now you can see it is available here also. We can easily select the partition, search for all recovery methods, quick scan, deep scan, allocate, deep scan, close data 5 minutes. Okay, it will take a lot of time. Install, upgrade, remind me later. So the main thing is every software don't do this thing, partition recovery, and many softwares don't do it. You can say like if you are using Recuva, you go on in a specified folder, you cannot find any disk here, or even when you go with the entire disk, there will be no results in that. So you have to select the softwares first because softwares will play a major role in partition recovery. So I will recommend test disk is there, disk drill is there, and I think disk digger can also do the work. I don't know about this trigger. It is very good tool for, you can say, normal recovery, but let's see. CDEF is there and complete drive is there. Okay, what happens when we select complete drive? See, it is a good software, but it is also not capable of analyzing the whole drive. What it can do is it will analyze the whole drive, which I don't want, because analyzing 1 terabit of data is something like 1 or 2 day process. It is out of the scope, but you can definitely use it for small recovery files, like recovery from USB drives or something like that. Now I was here to show you disk cleaning utilities. So these are the disk cleaning utilities. As the name suggests, first name is active kill disk, second is cyberside, secure erase, shredded, and total wipeout. Basically, these are the tools used for anti-forensics. What anti-forensics is, anti-forensics are the techniques which are the barrier in the forensics field. So if you are going to in the recovery process, and if the you can say hacker has used this tool, it will be a mess for you to recover the files. You can recover the files, but it will be a mess. You will be needing good softwares. Windows 10 or later, Shreddit is there. Next. So you should know anti-forensic techniques also, that if you are on one-on-one with a hacker or with something like that, you should know if what are anti-forensic techniques, because anybody don't want that the answer that there were no files to be recovered. What is this? MTFS boot? No. 0x0. Unlicensed evolution copy DOS extended Linux. Okay, it is Disk Explorer. Just close. I don't want to load. Okay, nice. So where the software has been installed is HR shredded. There is no way to recover shredded items. Use shredded to securely delete a file, folder, or free the disk on a space. And there are many tools like this. Basically, these are using different algorithms to delete the file and to overwrite the file. Secure erase is there. Total wipeout is also there. I recommend you to, you can say, this is also a type of, you can say, research area to work on, that how to recover files from if it is deleted from anti-forensic software. So this has shown the example that a complete paper is inserted into a shredder and the pieces are left over. So now let's continue. You can select the file, shred folder, shred file, and you can select any file. Like I have to select desktop. I will be you can say wanting a new file, but I don't have a new file. Course of conduct is there. Okay, this file is there, but it is GFIF. I don't know it will load again or not. Virtual PNG, tools list, scam, stamp. Okay, I am deleting stamp.jpg. JPG, not PNG, it's JPG. Open. Are you sure you want to JPG? Yes. Okay. So now confirm shredding files, folders, uh, Mere standard random zeros and ones and zeros. So it is asking, these will be playing with the hex values, that you want to delete all the zeros from the hexes, you want to delete all the ones from the hexes, you want to delete zero and ones and zeros, and anything you want. You want activity log or not. So just click on. Where was the start? Enter to unlock, enter registration key. Okay, it is asking for registration key. Disk cleaning utilities. Read me first. Distributed. La la la. Okay, Windows 10 later. Shit, it is not having the. I don't think it is a free. Okay, it has deleted the file. Very nice. The file was here. I know. Let's try it with PNG file also. I don't remember because. Let's see. Okay, just see if there is stamp with stamp. Okay, yes, stamp has been deleted. Stamp.jpg is now deleted. Cancel. And where is quit? Quit. Now let's firstly see on recycle bin. No, it's not here. Now if we try with tools like mini tool power data recovery. Nice. That's why I don't use deep scan. Till now it is scanned only 17 documents and I want a JPG. Oh sorry, PNG image from the partition recovery. And yes, it is doing its work efficiently. Let me close the disk drill. It will take a lot of time. Uh, scan, elapsed. How to stop? Okay, this is stop. Resume scanning. Save session as review file. Close. Because all the documents are, you can say, recovered, and I don't want to documents to be, you can say, recovered. Desktop recovery. Will the file be available? Oof. Minimize the mini tool power data recovery also. Let's see if it gets started. And there are many tools like this for shredding. Like total wipeout is there, secure erase is there. I have used these three tools, but I have never, even I don't use these tools. Means I have never used. This can be even more better among these five. And there are many tools in the market also, but I used only these three. So any more tools you want other than these tools? I will be providing this document today. I have created the document. Kane is there, Swift is there, Kali Live is there, Rufus is there, Test Disk is there, QI is there, Mini Tool Power Deep Recovery is there. Any more tools which you will be wanting?
Hello?
Deleted files, lost files,
Hello, sir?
recovery training,
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
go back, deleted files, other lost files, dir deleted. Okay, it's stuck.
Hello? Hello, sir. Hello?
My
Hello?
window defender actually sucks. Whenever I use a software, whether it is you can say licensed or not, it always show threads found, threads found. I'm having none tool using it, which is you can say cracked or something having malicious thing or something like that. My system is clean till now, and it is showing error. Even the tools I have downloaded, these tools, disk cleaning utilities, these were provided to me when I was um, when I was working on CHFI, computer hacking forensic investigator. Sorry, but shit,
Hello,
man.
sir. Can you hear me?
Wait. Voice is not clear. Can you please repeat? Hello. Yes, Rak. Was it you?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. Now the voice is clear.
Very good. Yeah, regarding the anti-forensic, like, I did not clear about that. Do you have any tools that, for example, I want to do formatting with a particular volume or a disk, complete this or my particular partition? Do we
Okay,
have something like
so
this?
okay. So you want to delete a particular, you can say disk or partition.
Format.
Format. What do you mean by format? Actually, I don't get it. Okay, you want to format
It's like
complete disk.
let's like wipe the particular volume.
Okay. So basically, these are the anti-forensic technique tools, but these are not very much used. But mostly hackers use these tools. But there is a tool. I think it was ease us disk partition. Yes, it was ease us disk partition, something like this. Free partition manager tool to resize. Okay, this was the tool, and it is a very good tool. Ease us is a very good company. It makes a lot of tools. Even I have, this is the tool ease us partition master, free download, block. It is a very good tool, but I think it will take some time. Okay, it's free. Let's see. The
But I
other
think it has
tool.
also recovery, huh?
Yes. But there was a separate tool for this. EaseUS recovery is there because they are
Mhm.
making lot of softwares. EaseUS recovery. It is also free to download. Formatted file recovery, emergency data recovery, and storage media recovery. These all are automated tools. It's in my list also. Free version is there, pro version is there, pro plus bootable media is there. You know what bootable media will be doing. They will be providing you with a live environment from where you can be using the recovery process. Currently data preview before recovery, recover data when deleted, hidden, boot with download, WinP. Basically, what Windows PE is, it is the lighter version of Windows, which can be used as live. WinPE. Many time you will be getting this Windows PE
It,
pre-installation
it looks
environment.
like it looks like it's a good company as well because they are offering a lot of recovery tools aside from
Yes.
what we you shown us like mini tool and recover, right?
Yes, they even started with the recovery. Their main tool is of recovery, and then they shifted to many other tools also. Like firstly, there was data recovery, and if you just click on data recovery, you can say data recovery for Windows, and there are 7 tools for only Windows. Then there are 3 tools for Mac, 2 tools for iOS, and 3 tools for Android also. So there are a lot of tools, and when you go to Partition Manager, there is Partition Master free, Partition Master Professional. Let's install Partition Master. There is a manual process also. You can just go to disk management and do whatever you want instead of going with the manual process of formatting the drive. You can just, will just show you, install free. Okay, so here are my drives. I just select the drive whatever I want to format or wipe, or I can even shrink the volume. What it means by shrink the volume, I can divide the volume. So here you can see total size before shrink in MB 419122. So this is the file that is currently available with my drive. Now size available shrink space in MB. So this is the maximum space which can be shrinked. Total size after shrink in MB. So this will be the space after getting shrinked. So I can shrink the device also, so that there will be 2 partitions. So basically I can divide this partition furthermore also, and I can use that partition as a normal one. My mark partition is active, change drive letter path, format, delete volume. I can delete the volume also.
But when you delete the volume, the data will be still there in an allocated space, right? Even you format the drive or deleted the volume.
Yes, exactly. But it will be a mess. because if I delete the partition, the data will not go in the recycle. If I delete the volume, it will not go in the recycle bin. Data will be there, but the
Mm.
metadata.
No, there's a anti-forensic that they use. For example, I want to sell my laptop, right? And then I don't want anybody that they can recover any data that's even in allocated space. So what people
Yes,
do, they reformat it, but I think they do something like a program or like they run in the ZMD to wipe everything what is in allocated data completely, like it's wiping. It's not about formatting, it's not deleting, it's wiping the data.
basically, I have just joined, you can say, a job, and I have got a laptop from my company, and
Mhm.
I was interested in data recovery, and I was able to it was a 500 gigabit, you can say, drive, and I was able to recover around 300 gigabits of data. It contains very sensitive information of the company. I was able to get the, you can say, payment details and much more data, but I misuse this, as I'm self a professional investigator, a certified professional investigator. So it's my right to protect the data and don't do anything that is against the law. So I just inform the company the right steps, how to delete the data, and how to allot the new system before giving it to a new one. So the
Okay,
company was
so
very happy from my work, that yes, I have done very good. I have taken very good steps to encourage the data privacy, because data privacy is very much important if you are dealing with sensitive information like payment details.
yeah, it's very true because for example, if you want to do this in a regular way or time, like for example you're traveling and you know you you don't know what will happen, or you lose your bag, or for some reason, then the laptop is there, all your deleted files and everything is there, personal data. Then how we can secure this? Do how you have done this
Uh,
from the joint company? Which tools did you use to wipe the deleted data?
uh, if I would just want to sell my device to normal customer, what I do is I just delete the data and overwrite it with the movies, because movies contains, I think, 2 gigs or 5 gigs or something like that. So what you can do, what is the easiest method you can do is, let me just show you what I do, what I even prefer. See, I come go to videos. Here are your recordings of all the days. Click on copy. Take any device, suppose you take this drive vlogs. Then click Control plus V. Remove the write protection or use, okay. Okay, this is write protected drive. How? Okay, I think I changed the settings of this drive. No problem. Shit, remove the write protection on movies. Okay, I think I've changed something. Don't worry. Start now. Do you want to start now? What's happening in my drives? Let's see. I'm not able to create new folder. Then okay. I don't know. I think I encrypted my drives. I will be going through them later. EaseUS is there, and a lot of software. Okay, so this is the free edition. Disk capacity supported 8 TB, and one unlimited storage is also there. I think the free edition will be very much sufficient to you, because you will not be using 8 TB, more than 8 TB data, if you are using it for personal use. Even if you are doing it for commercial use, 8 TB is, you can say, a good space. Let's minimize it first. I think I have installed some type of malware or something. Let's complete your no actions needed. Okay, let's quickly complete up with your today's session. Then I will be analyzing my what's happening in my drives and computer. I think I used ECBCD.
I think you cannot do anything while you're doing the mini tool recovery.
Let's stop
or the
them.
photo rec?
Yes, I know it's not the thing I can do. Let's just stop this thing because they are taking a lot of, you can say, hardware configuration. Stop this scan, yes. Then there is photo rec. Stop photo rec also. Then there is mini tool, stop mini tool. So exit, yes now. Control all delete. Okay, anti-malware service executable is running fine. But what is Windows file search index? Okay, so basically, recovery software is using this tool, Microsoft Windows Search Index, in access to the deleted files. So this is a very good tool. I have used it before also. Eases Partition Master. So here are some very good features. Convert to GPT-4K alignment, adjust disk layout. So there was a new feature also, Migrate OS. You can use this migrate OS function if you are using two drives like me. One is my hard actual HDD and one is my SSD. So what you can basically do is you can migrate your OS, like you can I can shift my complete OS from my SSD to my hard drive, and no data will be lost in this process, and it will be very convenient for me also to use them again according to my personal use. So now here is a
But
tool,
then,
WinP.
but then what do you, but then what do you think about the licensing? What will happen because you cloned it
No, I'm not.
and you
No, no, no. It's not cleaning. It is migrating. Migrating is a different process, and cloning is a different process.
yeah
While
what
migrating, if you do migrating, this window will eventually get migrated to my another windows. And for licensing, licensing will not get affected if you are just migrating. You can do it even. I do it every time when I purchase a new laptop. Like, if I am having this laptop with me, now I will purchase, now if I will be purchasing a new laptop, I will be purchasing a DOS laptop. Then I will be installing a trial version of Windows in it. Then I will be just deleting the, then what I will be doing is I will be pasting the key from my computer. You can get your key also from properties, by clicking on properties, the license key. Okay, the property key will be available in the end. It is not available because I have hidden. So the property key will be available in this section I have shown you. So you can just copy the license key and just activate in your new laptop, and you can delete this system completely. So you don't
Mhm.
need separate, you can say, licenses for different systems. You just get a license key for one system and you can migrate the system anywhere you want. So here are the features like resize, move, clone, merge is also there, like you can merge two drives with each other. And allocate space is also there, like you want to allocate some space for something, you can say private or let's test this feature. Okay, I have not used this feature. What this feature do? NTFS D. Okay, so basic, I think it advanced settings available before. Okay, I don't know what this tool do is basically allocate space, but I know resize, I know clone will create exact copy of the, you can say, your disk. Merge will eventually merge two drives, whatever drive you want. Like I have two drives that I am using. Not now. Like D and F are there, I can merge them because I am using both of the drives for the same purpose, like for saving my new files, or sorry, for saving my extra files. Okay, this is right protected. Nice. Okay, we'll just repair them. No worries. Okay, where we were? Okay, so we were on, yeah, Asus Master. So there is partition recovery also. You can do partition recovery from here also. Just click on partition recovery and select from where your partition is missing. Like if the partition is missing from disk 0 or disk 1. I have not created the partition in disk 1 because it is my SSD. But I have created many partitions in disk 0, and if any of the partition is lost or damaged, I can just click on scan and I can get the you can say the complete partition. You can see here existing. This is the status. If your file, if your partition is, you can say, damaged or deleted or corrupted, it will not show it as existing. It will show it as corrupted or deleted or missing, something like that. Okay, so the scan has started. Good. Let's jump to the questions if there are any questions. I haven't taken any questions today. Any more questions? Firstly, tell me any more softwares you want from me. I have pasted these links. Uh,
I was late. Hello, sir. I was late for 30 minutes, and I I'm not sure if you did the what do you call this, the VMware showed us how we can get directly transferred from our host to the VM, and vice versa, for example, or even USB. If we plug it, how we can access it from USB from VMware. Did you show that earlier?
no, no, no. Yes, that's why I say sometimes the practicals are missed. Yes, don't worry. But join today, join tomorrow on time. It will take some time,
Hmm.
but I will show you tomorrow.
Okay.
My first practical for tomorrow will be showing you how to transfer the files, and my second practical will be how to recover the data from Dr. Phone with a routed device. And after that, I will be giving you some of my tools. I will be showing you some of my tools, and we can go with the tools. What are the pros of the tools? What are the cons of the tools? Something like that.
Hmm. Okay.
And you can suggest any, you can say, previous topic which you are having confusion. So we can take it tomorrow also.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So can we conclude or there are any questions?
Anyway, sir, which one is the best to use? The Hex Editor Neo or the H XD that you are using for Hex Viewer? Which one do
Depth.
you recommend?
For, you can say, starters, I will recommend Hex Neo. And if you are
Mm-hmm.
a learner researcher, Hex editor is there, WinHex is there, and there are many tools. Basically, I haven't tried many much Hex editors. I have tried only two to three Hex editors. One is HexD, and second is Hex Editor Neo, and one is WinHex.
Okay. Could we do also more practical on is is
There
us
are
data
11 now,
recovery
Manish.
tomorrow? I
Vijay
think
has
it's
joined it again.
it's I think it's a good tool
Okay.
as well.
So, thank you. There are totally 18 minutes. So, we are good. Everyone is open to their cameras, please. So I guess everybody's in. We can start then.
Hello.
So basically, in HGH, you will see these kinds of rules. So I mean, on daily basis, you
Hello,
see
hello, hello. Sorry, my mic audio was gone for some time. Yes, you can ask again.
the person who will provide you with the format of a particular event. So let's say if we have some events and people
Hello.
the marketers
Hello. Yes. Can we do more practical on is us
On is us.
recovery
Yes, yes, yes. Sure, you can
tomorrow?
type. Yes, yes. We can do practicals with these.
Yeah,
So
because
tomorrow,
because I found it very interesting software as well for data
yes,
recovery
it is very much
as one
useful.
of the major tools. Yes.
Sure, sure. We can take. So first practical will be VMware. Second practical will be data recovery using
Yes.
Dr. Phone. Third practical will be EaseUs. And you can tell us rest of the tools, or you can say rest of the topics on WhatsApp. Any other topic to be covered? You can tell now also and on WhatsApp also.
Can we go through a little bit with the safe tools?
Shift.
Yeah, could you show us based on your experience as well, as a expert on this, or maybe you can show us go through with the safe
Basically,
tools.
safety is basically made for forensics. If you are have knowledge of forensics, you will be in love with Swift.
Mhm. Yeah, maybe you can go through a little bit for because I joined the GL forensics with your class earlier. Maybe 5 minutes just to go through with the other tools
Yes, yes, yes,
important because
yes,
you
yes,
haven't
yes,
shown that last time.
yes,
That's
yes.
perfect.
That's why I have written Swift.
Sure, that's perfect.
Any more questions, or should we conclude for today?
The same maybe with game tomorrow. Tomorrow is our last session, or we have two sessions.
I think if there will be topics, we can take more session also. One more session, no worries. But if there will
Mhm.
be no topics, then so we can conclude tomorrow also. It depends on the
Perfect,
questions or the topics.
perfect. Sure.
Over to you, Vivek.